So I have a very quick summer mochi for everyone. And if you're into Japanese food, you know of these kind of squishy rice balls that you can fill with, it could be like red bean paste, it could be chocolate, it could be, different fruits like we're going to be doing today. And the recipe is going to be down below, but the batter is very simple. I have some glutinous rice flour, some sugar, and then some water. And you just want to make sure and mix that until there are no lumps. So there are various recipes that ask you to just put it into the microwave, and I'm a little bit too prudish to cook something for you all in the microwave. So we're going to steam this on high heat for 12 minutes, and you'll see it bubble up, and then afterwards you want to let it cool completely before you start working with it. So you can put in whatever fruits that you want, but they do need to be a certain size and also a certain hardness. So because sometimes the strawberries can be a little bit sour, I have some red bean paste here that it's actually a little bit thinner than I normally do, so you can make it a little bit thicker, but you can also do like syrup or maybe just something thick. Okay, and then this is for me to dust in. So you can either do potato starch or cornstarch. Some people might add in a little powdered sugar in there just for additional sweetness. But be warned, the strawberries, they should air, if they're big, they should air on the fat side and not the long side. Otherwise you want to cut it down. You all saw how sticky this is. So this is also some cornstarch or potato starch, and I dipped my spoon in some water so that it wouldn't get so sticky, because it's just very, very sticky. So some people will either like oil their surface or put some oil on their hands. I'm just dusting it in a lot of the cornstarch, and we're gonna divide it up into 6 equal balls. So my tip here, and I'm not the best at doing this, but you want to actually keep this disc fairly thick first, because you are going to stretch it over your fruit. And this is when the large, tall strawberries come back to bite me, because it was too long. I think I would have just chopped the ends off a bit so that you'll see, so that I wouldn't have to stretch it so much, because when you stretch it, you actually lose, some of the skin on the bottom as well. So you don't want to overly stretch that. Anyways, I'm just going to dust it in some more starch afterwards, so hopefully nobody sees it. So these last pretty well in the refrigerator for about 2 days, and I tried them with peaches. I tried them with grapes as well. All fine if you can envelop them in that mochi skin. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this really easy and simple recipe. Definitely try it out for summer. It's quite fun to have, and I will see you all again next time.